UrgoClean Ag is the only silver dressing with complete cleaning action to fight local infection. For all wounds at risks or with signs of local infection, remove one side of the protective transparent film. Carefully apply micro-adherent side to the wound. Remove the second side of protective transparent film and gently apply the rest of the dressing. Hold dressing in place with a conforming bandage, adhesive tape or an elasticated tubular bandage. For leg ulcers, use the same mode of application. For highly exuding wounds, cover UrgoClean Ag with a secondary absorbent dressing. UrgoClean Ag can be cut and used under compression. It is suitable for low to highly exuding wounds. Frequency of change should be adapted to level of exudate.